Fortunately, you don't need Tylose powder to make edible glue. With just 2 simple ingredients, you can make a glue that is effective and safe to eat, which is great for all your baking needs. What is Tylose powder? Tylose powder is a common ingredient for edible glues, as well as thickening up fondant and gum paste. Tylose powder can be hard to find and is not often something home bakers have in their pantry. It is also commonly referred to as CMC, for carboxymethylcellulose. Carboxymethylcellulose is the chemical version of a natural powder called gum tragacanth. Gum tragacanth comes from the sap of a root of a plant from the Middle East that is then dried. It is a fine white powder that is vegan, gluten-free, and kosher. How to make edible glue without Tylose powder. Ingredients: 1 cup granulated sugar, ½ cup water. Equipment: small saucepan, spoon, large saucepan. Step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Pour the water into the small saucepan and heat on low and medium. Step 2. While the water is still heating up, add the sugar and mix together. Keep the mixture on the heat until it thickens up and has a slight golden tint. Step 3. Remove the mixture from the burner, but still keep it warm. This can be done by placing the small saucepan in a large saucepan filled with hot water. Step 4. Use a spoon to stir the mixture to make sure all the sugar has dissolved into the water. The mixture should be thick and sticky. Step 5. Carefully dip the ends of the items you want to glue together into the mixture. Press them together and hold for a few seconds until dry. The glue mixture should be kept warm the entire time you are working to ensure it will work. Tips and tricks for how to make edible glue. Edible glue will be hot, so it is important to use caution when working with it. It is best not to let children handle it while hot to prevent any burns from occurring. Be sure to give the decorations you are gluing adequate time to set before placing them on your cake or baked good of choice. Even once your items are dry, be sure to still use caution when moving them, as edible glue is not as strong as regular glue. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.